Mm. A warm welcome to all. I'm Yogeshwari, Department of Mathematics, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science, Autonomous. Now I am taking discrete structure and optimization techniques. So the topic is graphical method. So first of all, the graphical method is given in the session of linear programming problems. So in mathematics, linear programming is a method of optimizing operations with some constraints. The main objective of linear programming is to maximize or minimize the numerical value. It consists of linear functions which are subjected to the constraints in the form of linear equations or in the form of inequalities. Linear programming is considered an important technique that is used to find the optimum resource utilization. The term linear programming consists of two words as linear and programming. The word linear defines the relationship between multiple variables with degree 1. The word programming defines the process of selecting the best solution from the various alternatives. The linear programming is widely used in mathematics and some other fields such as economics, business, telecommunication, and manufacturing fields. In this article, let us discuss the definition of linear programming, its components, and different methods to solve linear programming problems. What is linear programming? Linear programming may be defined as a problem of maximizing or minimizing a linear function that is subjected to linear constraints. The constraints may be equalities or inequalities. The optimization problems involve the calculation of profit and loss. Linear programming problems are an important class of optimization problems that helps to find the feasible region and optimize the solution in order to have the highest or lowest value of a function. In other words, linear programming is considered as an optimization method to maximize or minimize the objective function of the given mathematical model with a set of some requirements which are represents the linear relationship. The main aim of the linear programming problem is to find the optimal solution. Linear programming is the method of considering different inequalities relevant to a situation and calculating the best value that is required to be obtained in these conditions. Some of the assumptions take while working with linear programming are the number of constraints should be expressed in the quantitative terms. The relationship between the constraints and the objective function should be linear. The linear function is to be optimized. Linear programming problems. A linear programming problem LPP is a problem that is connected with finding the optimal value of the given linear function. The optimal value can be either maximum value or minimum value. Here the given linear function is considered an objective function. The objective function can contain several variables which are subjected to the conditions, and it has to satisfy the set of linear inequalities called linear constraints. The linear programming problem can be used to get the optimal solution for the following scenarios, such as manufacturing problems, diet problems, transportation problems, allocation problems, and so on. Methods to solving linear programming problem. The linear programming problem can be solved using different methods such as the graphical method, simplex method, or by using tools such as OR, Open Solver, etc. Here we will discuss two most important techniques called the simplex method and graphical method in detail. Graphical method. The graphical method is used to uh, optimize the two variable linear programming. If the problem has two decision variables, a graphical method is the best method to find the optimal solution. In this method, the set of inequalities are subjected to constraints. Then the inequalities are plotted in the HY plan. Once all the inequalities are plotted in the HY graph, the interesting region will help to decide the feasible region. The feasible region will be provide the optimal solution as well as explain what all the values our model can take. Let us see an example here and understand the concept of linear programming in a better way. Example, calculate the maximal and minimal value of z is equal to a 5x plus 3y are the following constraints. So x plus y is less than or equal to 4, 3x minus y is greater than or equal to 0, x minus y is less than or equal to 2. Solution, the three inequalities indicate the constraints that area of the plane that will be marked is the feasible region. The optimization equation z is equal to 5x plus 3y. You have to find the xy corner points that give the largest and smallest value of z. To begin with, first solve each inequality. X plus y 2y is less than or equal to 14, y is less than or equal to minus 1 by 2 x plus 7, 3x minus y is greater than or equal to 0, so that is equal to y is equal to 3x. X minus y equal to 2, so y is greater than or equal to x minus 2. So first of all, then we want to go into the points to make a points. How to solve these equations? First of all, put x equal to 0 in first equation, and then first equation, and what is the value of y. Next, put the values of y equal to 0 in first equation, and what is the value for x. That is called as a 2 points in we have the 2 points in first equation, and the same as second equation also have a 2 points, and x minus y is less than or equal to 2, that is called the third equation is also have a 2 points. So make the graph to the solutions. So that these three lines are extract from the three equations. Make the points we want to draw the graph. So here the feasible region is yellow marked area is a feasible region. So now these things are points from the equation and to mark as a graph. Okay, so next, what is the exact values, the exact points from this graph is first one 2 comma 6 is the first point, so the value is 20, maximum z is equal to 28, and second point is 6 comma 4, and the equation is value is 42. Third point is minus 1 comma minus 3, so z is equal to minus 14. So hence the maximum of z is equal to 42. Because of that we want to know the answer for maximum z. So these values are in between these three values. The maximum value is 42, so lies at 6 comma 4, and the minimum of z is equal to minus 14, so lies at minus 1 comma 3. This is the graphical method to solution optimal solution. So thank you.